Let's explore the Self section on Toolkit.law, your personal hub for everyday life tools. From career planning and medical tracking to fitness, homemaking, journaling, socializing, tax calculations, tailoring, gardening, weather monitoring, gaming, gifting, and more, each category is organized into clean, vertical accordions designed for fast data entry and instant results. Every page opens with a single click, guiding you through simple fields that calculate, organize, or track real-life information without downloads, apps, or complicated interfaces. Whether you're planning your semester, managing your household, preparing workouts, monitoring the weather, or improving your personal habits, the Self section keeps everything structured, efficient, and easy to revisit. Once you enter your information, just select the Save icon or close the accordion. Your data is saved automatically. With these tools, your routines become easier, your tracking becomes clearer, and your daily decisions become faster. And that is how you use Toolkit.law's Self section to stay organized, informed, and in control of your everyday life.